off now. Right size then. Keep going. Stop. Just a little bit. Trying to get my finger out of here. I'm stuck. Okay. Go. And now that's how you want to stop. What I really need to do is my fingers moving. Stop. Jump. Haha, I got my finger out. Thank you, Melody. Not what I do. So there you have it, the ring. I am really happy with how this came out. I was afraid of doing this. I was afraid that I was going to break it. It was a very delicate piece, and I've been thinking about how to do this literally for years, just mulling it over my brain with just hand tools. And I am incredibly happy with how this came out. I'm thinking about making a smaller one for my wife, see if she liked it. Now, one of the questions I'm probably going to get right off the bat is, you didn't put a finish on it. There's no shellac, there's no poly or anything like that to protect the ring. How are you going to protect it? But to be completely honest, because it's a stabilized wood, there really is no reason to protect the ring. It's going to protect itself, and with that nice buffed polished finish on there, there really isn't any need for it. You get the natural color of the wood coming out, and it's absolutely beautiful. I'm excited and happy with this. So I'm looking forward to possibly making a few more in the future. I'd love to hear your thoughts down below. Would you like to see me make smaller ones or other ones? I'd love to hear that. Also, if you have any suggestions, ideas, comments, let me know down below. And please do like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. This really does help out the channel and help us grow. So that's about it for today. And until next time, have a wonderful day. If you'd like to talk, you can always give me a ring sometime. If you'd like to talk, you can always drop it on the floor